Hi GCSE physicists. So this is a video about solenoids and drawing the magnetic field. We recently did this question in our online classes. So please, if you want to join us, you can still do so. Just click that link in the bio. And we're doing an amazing offer right now. We're doing that you can get 10 days of lessons for £10, right? So you can try all of our courses, all of our lessons for just 10 quid. That works out basically for a full day, it's just £1, right? Worth checking it out, see what you think if you're considering joining our lessons or not. But please also write in the comments if there's anything you need help with and let us know how you would have done in this question. So we did this in our lesson, not gonna lie, some people got it, some people didn't, majority of people didn't if we're being honest, because it was a weird one. So we learned in our lesson the whole thing about solenoids. We learned that they have a magnetic field like a bar magnet. We learned about where the magnetic field lines come out of. But the problem is, you may learn it all separately, but when you come to an exam question you've not seen before, the problem is connecting it all together. So that's why we need to do and make sure we do loads of past paper questions. Okay, so the problems people have here is a lot of people know that the longer side is positive and the shorter side is negative. A lot of people know that conventional current goes out of the positive and goes whole way around to the negative. A lot of people know that anytime you have current going through a wire, what you get is a magnetic field. We can use our right hand to figure that out. So the magnetic field here is, the current here is going up. So the magnetic field is curling towards my face. That's the direction of the magnetic field lines around this wire. But that's not what the question was asked in. The question was asked in, if I get my green pen, the question was asking, can you draw the magnetic field around a solenoid? So here is my solenoid, right? My solenoid just means, fancy way of saying, wire wrapped in a coil. So I draw magnetic field lines. Now, you should learn in class, or you should learn in our lessons, or in any of my, hopefully, videos, that a solenoid, the magnetic field lines are like a bar magnet. So there's the north, there's the north, there's the south. We learned that Santa Claus lives in the North Pole. He has to go out of the North Pole to deliver his presents. He has to go around the world to deliver his presents. Around the world to deliver his presents. So again, out of the North Pole and around the world to deliver his presents. Out of the North Pole, around the world to deliver his presents. So he goes into the South Pole. Just to do the same thing in this question. Use a pencil, comes out of the North Pole, goes around the world to deliver his presents, around the world to deliver his presents, into the South Pole. That's all you had to do. So hopefully you got that one right.